Hello everyone, welcome back to the show where we dive into the latest health trends and separate fact from fiction. Dr. Oz here, and today we're tackling a drink that's gone viral, Okra Water. It's been making waves all over social media, with influencers and everyday people alike sharing their experiences. You've probably seen videos of people sipping this greenish, slimy liquid, claiming it's a miracle for health. Some say it tastes a bit odd, but the supposed benefits have everyone curious. From weight loss to glowing skin, the internet is buzzing with big promises. There are even claims about improved digestion, better energy, and clearer skin after just a few days. But is it fact, or just hype? With so many trends popping up, it's easy to get swept away by bold claims. Okra Water's popularity exploded this year, with millions searching for answers. It's become a hot topic in wellness groups and forums, sparking debates and curiosity. People report better hydration, digestion, and even reproductive health. But are these claims real? Some even say it helps with blood sugar and cholesterol. My job is to cut through the noise and get to the facts. I've looked at the research, talked to nutritionists, and even tried it myself. Okra is packed with nutrients, and soaking it in water is said to transfer those benefits into your glass. It's rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, which are all great for your body. It's cheap, easy to make, and accessible, no fancy equipment needed. All you need is fresh okra, water, and a little patience to let it soak overnight. But does it live up to the hype? Can 5 days of okra water really change how you feel? Or is it just another fleeting internet craze? Today, we'll break down how to make it, what science says, what to expect, and who should avoid it. We'll also share some real stories from people who've tried it, and give you tips on making the most of this trend if you decide to give it a shot. So, let's get to the truth behind this viral sensation, and find out if okra water deserves a spot in your daily routine. Let's get practical. Making okra water is surprisingly simple, and you don't need any fancy equipment or special skills. This is a great recipe for beginners or anyone looking to add a healthy twist to their daily routine. Start by grabbing 4 or 5 fresh, firm, and bright green okra pods. The fresher the okra, the better your water will taste and the more nutrients you'll get. Give them a good rinse under cool running water to remove any dirt or residue. Next, trim off the tough stems and discard them. Then, slice each pod into half-inch pieces. Cutting the okra this way helps release more of its beneficial nutrients and that signature mucilage, which is what gives okra water its unique texture. Place all your sliced okra into a clean glass jar or a pitcher. Glass is best because it won't react with the okra or affect the flavor of your water. Pour in 3 to 4 cups of cool, filtered water, making sure the okra pieces are fully submerged. Using filtered water can help your drink taste fresher and cleaner. Cover the jar or pitcher tightly and place it in the refrigerator. Let it soak for at least 8 hours. Overnight is ideal. This slow infusion allows the okra to release its nutrients and soluble fiber into the water. After soaking, you'll notice the water has become thicker and a bit slimy. Don't worry, that's the mucilage, a type of soluble fiber that's actually great for your gut health and digestion. Strain the liquid into a glass, separating out the okra pieces. You can use a fine mesh strainer or even a cheesecloth for a smoother drink. Don't toss those leftover okra pieces. You can eat them as a snack, blend them into a smoothie for extra fiber, or compost them to reduce kitchen waste. Your homemade okra water is now ready to drink. Enjoy it right away, or store any extra in the fridge for up to 4 days. Just give it a quick stir before drinking, as the mucilage can settle. If you find the texture a bit unusual, try adding a squeeze of lemon or a few fresh mint leaves. These not only add flavor, but also make your drink even more refreshing. That's all there is to it. Making okra water is quick, easy, and doesn't require any special skills. It's a simple way to boost your hydration and nutrition. So, now that you've made your own okra water, let's take a closer look at what's actually in your glass and why it's so good for you. So, what makes okra water special? Okra is loaded with vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, magnesium, and calcium. Soaking releases some of these nutrients into the water. The star is mucilage, a soluble fiber that gives okra water its signature texture. This fiber forms a gel in your gut, slowing sugar absorption and helping manage blood sugar. Okra also contains antioxidants like polyphenols and flavonoids, which help protect your cells from damage. These compounds can reduce inflammation and support overall health. The amount of nutrients depends on how much okra you use and how long you soak it. Drinking okra water gives you some benefits, but eating whole okra provides even more fiber and nutrients. Think of okra water as a supplement, not a replacement for veggies. It's a simple way to boost your intake of fiber and antioxidants. But what does it actually feel like to drink it? Let's talk about your first impressions. Day 1 of the 5-day challenge. Your first sip might surprise you. Okra water isn't your typical morning drink, and the anticipation of trying something new can be both exciting and a little nerve-wracking. As you lift the glass, you might notice the subtle green tint in the way the liquid moves, hinting at its unique texture. The texture is thicker than water, almost silky, thanks to the mucilage. This natural gel-like substance is what gives okra its signature feel, and it's the reason the water glides smoothly over your tongue. It might feel a bit unusual at first, but it's not unpleasant, just different from what you're used to. The taste? Mild, earthy, and a bit like cucumber water. There's a gentle vegetal note, but nothing overpowering. For many, it's surprisingly easy to drink, especially if you're used to other infused waters or herbal teas. If you're not a fan, add lemon or mint to make it more enjoyable. A squeeze of citrus or a few fresh herbs can brighten the flavor and make your daily glass feel like a refreshing treat. Experiment with different combinations. Ginger, orange, or even a dash of honey can transform the experience. The biggest immediate benefit is hydration. Okra water is mostly water, but its flavor can help you drink more. If you struggle to meet your daily water goals, this subtle twist might encourage you to reach for your glass more often throughout the day. Staying hydrated boosts energy, supports kidney function, and can make your skin look healthier. Proper hydration is essential for nearly every system in your body, from circulation to temperature regulation. You might notice you feel more alert, and your skin may start to look a bit more radiant even after just a day or two. You're also introducing new soluble fiber, which your digestive system will start to notice. Okra's mucilage is rich in this type of fiber, which can help slow digestion and keep you feeling satisfied longer. It's a gentle way to support gut health without making drastic changes to your diet. Some people feel fuller or notice gentle changes in digestion. You might find you're less likely to reach for snacks between meals, or that your stomach feels a bit more settled after drinking okra water. If you're not used to fiber, you might feel a little gurgling or fullness. Totally normal. These sensations are just your body adjusting to the extra fiber and hydration. For most, any mild discomfort fades quickly as your system adapts. Don't expect dramatic changes overnight. The first 2 days are about hydration and getting used to the texture. Think of this as a gentle introduction, a way to ease your body into a new routine without overwhelming it. This is the setup phase, laying the groundwork for more noticeable effects later in the week. Take a moment to plan ahead. Prep your okra, set reminders, and make it easy to stick with the challenge. Be consistent and pay attention to small, positive shifts. Maybe you're sleeping a bit better or your energy feels steadier. These subtle changes are signs that your body is responding. Now let's see what happens as your body adjusts. Over the next few days, you'll start to notice more pronounced effects, both in how you feel and how your body responds. On to digestion and fullness. Get ready for the next phase of your okra water journey. By days 3 and 4, the fiber in okra water starts to shine. Mucilage acts as a prebiotic, feeding your guts good bacteria. You may notice more regular bowel movements, a classic sign of a fiber boost. The soluble fiber expands in your stomach, helping you feel full longer. Drinking okra water before meals can naturally curb your appetite and reduce snacking. This is how okra water may support weight management, not by burning fat, but by helping you eat less. You're also supporting your body's natural detox systems. Hydration and fiber help your liver and kidneys do their job. The mucilage can bind to cholesterol and bile acids, aiding their removal. If you already eat a high-fiber diet, changes may be subtle. If not, you might notice real improvements in digestion. The 5-day challenge is a great way to see how your body responds to more fiber and hydration. Let's talk about the big claims: blood sugar and cholesterol. Studies show okra can lower fasting blood sugar and LDL cholesterol, especially in people with type 2 diabetes. The secret is the soluble fiber and polyphenols, which slow sugar and fat absorption and help manage blood sugar spikes. But here's the catch: these benefits come from long-term use, 8 to 12 weeks in clinical trials, not just 5 days. The 5-day challenge is a starting point, not a cure. You won't see dramatic changes in your blood work after a week. but you are building a healthy habit. Keep it up, and you could see real improvements over time. For now, celebrate supporting your body with every glass. Now let's clear up some overhyped claims. Let's get real about the wild claims online. Okra water isn't a magic detox. Your liver and kidneys handle that just fine. Claims about boosting fertility or making childbirth easier. No scientific proof. Any improvements in lubrication or reproductive health are likely just from better hydration. Okra water doesn't burn fat. It helps you feel full, which may help with weight management if you eat less overall. The real proven benefits are hydration, digestion, and long-term support for blood sugar and cholesterol. Don't expect miracles. Focus on what's actually backed by science. Okra water is a helpful addition, not a cure-all. Now who should be cautious? Okra water is safe for most, but not everyone. Some people may get bloating or gas from the fiber, especially if they're not used to it. Okra contains fructans, which can cause issues for those with sensitivities. If you have a history of kidney stones, be careful. Okra is high in oxalates. People on diabetes medication like metformin should separate their dose and okra water by a few hours, as okra may interfere with absorption. Always check with your doctor if you have health concerns or take medication. If you're allergic to okra, avoid it completely. Start with a small amount to test your tolerance. So, is the 5-day okra water challenge worth it? It's a simple way to boost hydration and fiber, especially if you struggle with plain water or low-fiber diets. Expect to feel more hydrated and maybe a bit fuller. Great motivators to keep going. The real science-backed benefits for blood sugar and cholesterol come with long-term, consistent use. Healthy adults curious about natural wellness can give it a try. If you have kidney stones, fructan intolerance, or take diabetes meds, talk to your doctor first. Listen to your body. Start small and see how you feel. Jazz it up with lemon, mint, or fruit juice if you like. Remember, no single food or drink is a miracle. Health is about your daily choices. Adding okra water can be a positive step on your wellness journey. Stay healthy and see you next time.